And check out this flashing light update. I have more information regarding this phenomenon that's sweeping the earth, and it's not just LED bulbs, guys. It's fluorescent bulbs too. In case you haven't seen this video, check this out. Video footage sent in by Mark out of New Brunswick. Here's an example of non-LED bulbs. These are the 48-inch fluorescent bulbs. Look at that. Those are the old school bulbs. Flashing away. So it's not just LED lights. It is a variety of lights, all different shapes, colors, and sizes that are flickering all around the world. And going from New Brunswick to San Antonio, Texas, video footage sent in by Shermonte of the lights turning purple. I know, there's an explanation for this, right? A faulty component of the light is going bad, causing the bulbs to emit purple light. Well, why are all of the bulbs going bad at the same time? Why not just one here, one there? You have about 7 or 8 there that all went bad at the same exact time. To me, that doesn't make any sense. Next video is out of San Diego by Sarah. We got a video out of Hong Kong of the same exact light doing the same exact thing on the other side of the earth. That was an example over here in San Diego. Fort Myers, Florida, Captain Gary, 425 of 2025, lights flickering in broad daylight. It's not even dark outside. There you go, 1, 2, 3, and then back to the first one he saw right there, and there's another one over there. 4 lights flickering in broad daylight. Example number 5, sent in by Timmy E. out of Kansas City, Missouri. Pulled up to this gas station. The lights underneath the canopy were just flickering away for no reason. It was a very calm, normal night, not stormy, no lightning, nothing going on with the exception of the lights malfunctioning for unknown reasons. And moving on to example number 6, from an airplane, Lindsay C., 427 of 2025. Notice this malfunctioning light on an airplane. Seems to be the only one, so there could be an explanation for this, but I've never seen an airplane light do that myself, and apparently she hadn't either. And moving on to example number 7. This involves the 5G LED light. Check this out.
This is an LED street light. Let's see what's inside. Uh-oh. Apparently, this is an LED 5G street light.
I didn't even know that was a thing. And if it is, I'm wondering if these LED lights are reacting to some sort of an electromagnetic pulse, maybe solar activity, something to do with the Earth's core. Could be a variety of things. Moving on to example number 8 out of Nashville, Tennessee. Video footage sent in by Jeffrey from 427 of 2025. He too pulled up to a gas station like Timmy did in Kansas City, and the lights underneath the canopy were going loco. Example number 9 takes us to Vancouver, Washington. Once again, purple lights. Video footage sent in by Sean from 425. Why all of the purple lights at the same time? But an even bigger mystery here is how are the lights all turning purple at the same time? I've seen sections of interstate highway over a mile long of solid purple lights. You wouldn't even think that would be possible, but it's happening. Lights are malfunctioning all around the world. And there's been some new information surface about the malfunctioning lights. We've been following them since November of 2024. It goes back to May of 2024 in Dallas. A gas station's canopy lights flickered in pattern pulses. And then November of 2024, Rio, Brazil, streetlights flashed citywide. Another report out of Rio, Brazil, November of 2024, streetlights flashed citywide, no storm or quake. January of 2025, Lyon, France, subway station lighting pulsed on security cams. March of 2025, Perth, Australia, neighborhood security lights flashed simultaneously. Nobody seems to know what's going on here. Is it grid instability? I don't think so, because I've seen solar lights malfunctioning and flickering. Is it geomagnetic storms? Is there something going on with the atmosphere? My personal opinion, something is definitely affecting the flow of electricity, and it's showing up in malfunctioning, lights turning purple, flickering all around the world.